Today I'm in for a real treat. So I'll be taking off in a helicopter flying over the Juno and will be landing in the glacier to do a dog sleep. I cannot wait. So let's go and have fun.
A soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade.
I am so excited.
Where the
I
smile
never
decayed.
done helicopter ride before.
Voices in my head softly hum your tune. Dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars, write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they...
Today, everybody excited?
Yes.
Awesome. It's beautiful clouds over here. We're gonna fly for about 20 minutes. We'll go check some stuff out before we land on the Norris Glacier. You guys will get out and do some dog sledding from there.
Love it.
Once I get started, it's gonna get loud in here. At that point, make sure your headsets are on. In the back, they're hanging up behind you. Looks like you guys found yours. Thank you. Up front.
Oh, so I should take my earmuffs off. Right? Yeah, it'll probably help you.
Pain and the fear beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'll still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest. Waves break, still drowning in your name. Every breath I take. Falling stars, write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night, under a pale lit room.
After wearing this headset, I look like I'm the pilot.
Up a route past the pain and the fear beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest. Waves break, still drowning in your name. Every breath I take. Falling stars, write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night, under a pale lit room. Be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest. Waves break, still drowning in your name. Every breath I take. Falling stars, write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echo
Okay.
Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest, waves break, still drowning in your name. Every breath I take, falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night, under a pale lit room.
Ms. Ben, I'm one of the handlers here. Right now you are standing on top of Norris Glacier, as I said. You've got about 5 feet of snow underneath you, and beneath that about 3,000 feet of ice. This is part of the Juneau ice field. It extends from here to Skagway. It's a distance of about 80 miles, roughly. That's the 5th largest ice field in North America. You are also standing within the boundaries of the Tongass National Forest, which is the largest temperate rainforest in the world. It is about the size.
Be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know.